This is great.
Makes one noise and the parents are just like all over the place.
Oh my god. See here guys, there's a crow. Funny thing is, this wasn't a coincidence. This wasn't a coincidence, but this crow has just been chilling around this area for a while, and a friend of mine just picked it up. It just, oh my god. He used one of those one-liner pickup lines and just like hopped on him. What a legend. Yeah, it's pretty much a juvenile baby. Holy.
It doesn't care.
Let's see if I can like put it. Wee! Holy dude. That is soft.
Yeah.
What a fluff ball. Oh my god.
The best thing about
Hey!
my hand's starting to shake.
Zoom into that eye. Ah. It's like a pigeon kind of when it's close by.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What time is it?
It's like 8:20. Something like that, yeah. Wait, so how long do you just like keep it? It's a couple minutes, like half an hour.
It's almost an adult technically.
Yeah, that's true. It's a pretty big bird for its size.
Yeah. 2 days ago it was actually smaller than this.
Holy.
They go pretty fast. Oh, there's its.
Is that the...
Mom or dad.
Looks like it, kind of. There's maybe another bird up there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're here.
It's like dogs everywhere. Oh, there. Oh, right there. Oh, okay, that's the mom.
Yeah.
Getting like a clear shot of it. Yeah, right there is the mom.
Oh.
So,
Yep.
beautiful. And it's flying away. Yeah, we're just like, let's just walk around with it. Oh no. Oh no.
Please do not poop on me.
Sam, oh yeah, has that ever happened before?
Yes.
Oh no, 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 no,
Oh,
no. No! Don't fly away, Brady! Oh, wingspan. Damn. It probably just wants to go to sleep. I mean, it's just, your arm is probably like a pocket. Like, look at that. It's like tired so much.
Oh, it's hooked onto my coat.
Oh my god.
I was wondering how it's hooked.
Oh no.
How it's hanging on. What are you doing? That's my armpit.
Oh, stay like that, stay like that. Where's the birdie?
Well, it's on this side now.
Oh no. Peekaboo! Oh my god. It's like a baby. It's just like, you just gotta cradle it. Just like, whoa.
Oh, there's the other one.
Oh yeah.
The other baby.
I mean,
it's running away.
wait, that's another baby?
Yep.
Oh, actually?
Yeah, that's it.
That looks
Sibling.
older. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one can fly. This one is still trying to learn.
Yeah.
We've been touching these birds. Me and my friends have been touching these birds, and we're surprised that the parents are still around.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, the parents are not gonna leave anywhere.
Like the,
It's like, this
this
place
isn't even a bad.
Yeah, it's feeding time.
Meh.
Like,
It doesn't care. And what's this whacked me in the face?
oh, that's actually funny. Oh my god.
No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Nah.
I might be kind of scared.
Maybe. It's just staring down. It's just like, what's life?
It's like, nope, nope. I don't want that.
Is this my life?
It's a thick bird. That's like, whoop, wee. It's like a slide from my hand.
Yeah. It's so fuzzy.
So cute, so fuzzy. Can't be any cuter.
This is the friendliest crow I've ever seen.
Holy yeah.
Oh, the other ones wanted to attack me.
All the other ones just want to eat you up.
Yeah.
The
look,
crow
dinner.
life. Oh my god. Dinner.
This one is just like.
It's like, hi dinner. I'm just gonna play with you before I eat you up. It's like direct face. It's like a penguin.
No.
It's like a fudgy penguin. Holy, that's a That's a picture. Oh no, don't look away. Damn. This is good money.
I don't know where your ears
I was
are.
like, ah. Can I
I don't
like
know
tickle?
which ears is.
Tickle, tickle. So bony everywhere. It's super light though.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hey.
That mama or papa bird, I don't know what's up with that. It's all coming down, I don't know. Yeah, so this bird's been injured. And we're just petting him, so keeping company. It's a great bird. It's a friendly crow. Crodo. The Crodo.
Crodo.
Oh, look at that.
Crodo
Turd.
Bagans.
There, Crodo Biggins. Oh my god.